Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. So today's video is about the GoPro. As you guys know already, I had a GoPro, but I got another one because right now it's a good time to buy a GoPro Hero 8 if you are looking for a budget action camera that can give you pretty much everything. I think this is the best deal right now. As you can see, this GoPro Hero 8 bundle, and these are the things that are included in it, as you can see. So why I bought this one, because right now is the deal going on this one is $239 on the Costco, and I think it's a pretty good deal for what you are getting with it. So let me just give you a quick review of it and show you guys what I have. What do you get with this money? So I think this is a very nice product with the, I think, the best value for money, because it can easily record 4K up to 60 frames per second and full HD like 1080p 240 frames per second, which is a lot for the price of this product. And it can record 8x slow motion, and you can even do live streaming from it, 1080p like full HD live streaming, which is I think pretty good. And it has a time lapse also, 2.0 hyper smooth 2.0, which is a very nice feature. In the later videos guys, I will show you all these videos result and the features, and stay tuned for that. Right now I'm just going to show you what's inside the box, and yeah, let's see. And you can also control this GoPro with the voice, so that's very nice feature also. And you can get a photo, you can get a super photo plus HDR mode with it, and you can get a live burst as well. And 33 feet 10 meter in the water also. It's water resistant, which is very nice. And it has a GPS and touch screen, you guys already know. But I think this is the best GoPro action camera as a price wise what you get in it. I think this is very nice. The main thing who do a lot of editing and like color grading in the videos, this is very nice because you can shoot a raw video in this camera, and I think which is very nice for the people who do post video processing. It's a very nice feature. So without any further delay, let's get started and open it, and I'll show you guys what we have here. Okay, I think I should just tear it apart. There we go. Okay, as you can see, this is the box. Check this out. The very nice convenient bag. It is very durable, I think. So this is how the box looks from inside. Let me just show you what we have here. We have here, okay, so one thing is missing, the jacket of the card. Right now they just sent me this card, which is, yeah, I think it's capable of recording 4K 30-60 frames per second. What missing is this, you can see the micro SD card jacket, which you can use with the laptop if you have. So they provide you the cable, Type-C cable. The best thing is with this, because see, you have two batteries with this bundle. Okay, you have a mount that GoPro will go here. You have another mount. Okay, so this is for the helmet. You can use on that and record a video with the 3M tape. You have this thing that goes here. You can see mount. And finally, the main thing is the GoPro Hero 8 itself. Let me open it and see. So the build quality is pretty nice. Most of the guys probably already know how the GoPro is and how much their durability is. You can see This is GoPro Hero 8 Black. Okay, let me so they have a screen protector already, so you should if you don't have extra glass paper or something, you should keep it there, because GoPro Hero 8, the front lens is not changeable. You cannot change it unless you have to change the whole body if you damage this. So make sure to protect these front lens screen and the back screen also with the protector, if you don't want any trouble in the future, or if you accidentally drop it and put a lot of scratches on it. So as you can see here, we have this nice little tripod for this one. It's not like tripod, but it is like that. You can easily mount your GoPro here on top. Let me show you. You can see right here. So just put the GoPro here and you can easily use it. So as you guys seen in my previous video, I have a GoPro's accessories which I did the unboxing, and you guys probably know how much stuff I have for this camera, and that is like very useful stuff because you can protect your GoPro with that thing. Okay, here we go. So this is how you mount, and this is a simple setup, very small setup for your action stuff, but you can record this as you can record this for a lot of different stuff. So I think this is very nice because it's very convenient and small. So one thing, recently the GoPro launches the beta version of the GoPro webcam, which is I think is very nice, because once I have a GoPro before, I used that as a webcam on my live streaming, and it was very nice because it's a beta version, but still the amount of field of view you guys have is a lot with the GoPro. Very easy to use. Just use the Type-C cable that's come with it, or if you have for your phone, you can use that also in it, and just connect with it, and you can use that as a webcam very easily. And the quality is not bad also if you provide it the good lighting. So that's it for today, guys. Let me show you the batteries. And so one thing, what I feel like a little bit frustrating, because it took a long time to charge this GoPro if you're charging with the cable. So if you have a charger for this, it's gonna be nice to have, because it's gonna be easy and quick to charge that way, both batteries at the same time. But because you have two batteries and you have one GoPro, and it's gonna take a while to charge the GoPro, because two batteries and one GoPro. So this is it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be testing all the videos while I will move like outside. I will do like fast moving object or like action stuff, so you guys can see the quality of it. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you the whole every mode that it has, the wide angle views, linear viewed, and super view. There is a lot of modes in this camera that you can use, and I think it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna test all those, and I will make videos for you guys, so you guys will have a better idea before buying this product. I know it's a late video for the GoPro Hero 8, because they already launched the GoPro Hero 9, which I think the only difference is the 5K. Who's gonna record the 5K? The 4K is not it's not standard already, not yet. I mean, it's gonna take a long time. So for now, I think Full HD 60 frame is pretty much enough for most of the devices to support that. And one thing, the nice feature was the front display, that they have a small front display on the, like this one. This is not the front display, but you will have a view here in the GoPro Hero 9, which is nice. But for the price, I don't think so it's matter what it can do. This one, GoPro Hero 8 Black, I think is enough for your the videos you make for the action. I think that's enough. Like 4K 60 is a lot of resolution to capture. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more video. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.